Hello everyone, I crocheted a pair of cozy socks for myself and I absolutely love the way they turned out. The yarn that I used is Happy Hour mini skeins from Global Backyard. I've had this yarn since summer when a viewer of my channel, Shannon from Dallas, Texas, sent it to me. And I had been saving this yarn for autumn projects and now I finally used it. The colors are really pretty. In fact, they match the colors outside of my window right now. Different shades of green and yellow. Simple joys of life. I don't know about you, but I find a lot of joy and happiness in ordinary daily things, such as seeing color changes outside of my window and saving beautiful yarn for a special project. I separated the yarn into 2 balls of each color and I crocheted 2 socks simultaneously. I crocheted with a hook size E 3.5 millimeters. This is a socks challenge that I'm starting for myself. My original idea was to crochet 10 pairs of socks in 10 days. That would have been quite a big challenge indeed. But after crocheting this first pair, I gave up the idea. Well, I didn't give it up altogether, rather I modified it. Crocheting a pair of socks in one day is a lot of work. The yarn is thin, the hook size is small, and the stitches are tiny. Even making 1 sock a day would be time consuming, but 2 socks, that's a pain in the neck, literally. I also plan to make a video a day to show my progress. So not only crocheting 2 socks a day, but filming, then editing. No, I don't think I could do that. Oh, and another reason I changed my original idea for this challenge is that I think my viewers will be tired of watching a socks video every day for 10 days in a row. So the challenge of making 10 pairs of socks in 10 days is off. But I still do want to crochet 10 pairs this winter. I think that would be a sufficient challenge for myself. I love crochet socks. I already have 3 pairs that I've made in the past, but I would love to have more. Here in Northern California, winters are not as harsh as in many other parts of the world, but sometimes we do have very cold nights and mornings. I like wearing a pair of crochet socks to bed every night. Also, when it rains hard, I wear a pair of rubber boots, which I've had for over 15 years. I think I bought them for $15. What a great investment! They still look like new. Rubber hardly wears out. But the thing about them is they are cold, very cold. So wearing a pair of wool socks with my rubber boots feels really nice. I need more socks for that. The pattern that I'm using for this pair of socks is my own. I already have a tutorial on my channel. Actually, I have 2 tutorials. I will post the links in the description box below. In the first one, I crocheted the heel in 1 strand of yarn, but in the second one, I used 2 strands to make the fabric thicker and stronger. And with this current pair of socks, I first tried making the heel in 1 strand, but it was just too soft and thin, and it would probably wear out in no time. So I unraveled it and crocheted again in 2 strands. I think my socks turned out pretty cute. They feel comfortable on my feet and I really like the colors. I can't wait to crochet more socks and I want to create different designs. If that works out, I will make tutorials and share them on my channel. So wish me luck with that. And do let me know what kind of projects you are crocheting these days. Stay warm and cozy, and until the next video.